Hello, everybody. My name is Alex, and I am from Brazil. And today we are going to speak with a wonderful guest. Okay, so please introduce yourself.
Thank you so much. You said wonderful. Actually, you are wonderful that you gave me the time to introduce myself to your audience and to interact with your audience. Thank you so much, Alex. And first of all, let me tell you all my name. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim, and I am a 16-year-old boy. I am a actor, photographer, videographer, YouTuber, vlogger, social media influencer. I love the artistic things and love to appreciate people who are the artists. And I'm a YouTuber. This is my main passion, and I think which will be in future with me. And I have three channels. Number one, vlogging channel, and then two, cooking channel. I love to cook, so I've made a cooking channel, and I have a tech channel too. Uh, the vlogging channel I recently checked. It has around 38 subscribers maybe, and then the cooking channel it has 1.7 thousand subscribers, and then the tech channel, mashallah, it's going very well. So it has around 2.9 thousand subscribers. Soon it will be monetized, if Alex pray for that.
Oh, yes, very good. So tell us a little bit about your how you make your food, your cooking channel. Tell us a little more about your cooking channel. How is your experience with this?
Yeah, I would love to do that because um, when I started, the thing drove me to make this channel was that my mom is a great chef. She makes the best food, and I've said in several interviews that my mom makes the best food, and I really mean it every time because whenever I tried my mom's food, so I always wanted to let others taste that or let others try that recipe somehow. I used to bring my friends to my home so that they could try and have the taste and that enjoyment which I usually have. So I thought to make a YouTube channel for that so everyone could try those recipes, and my recipes are never normal. They are modified, and they contain the extra spark. They're not normal. I modify
Ah,
recipes and make them more better than they are naturally.
mhm. Interesting. And for example, what is your favorite recipe? The most unique recipe?
Yes, my favorite actually is the recipe which I haven't uploaded yet, and
Oh, really?
that doesn't mean I will not gonna upload it. That doesn't mean that I will upload that because I love my audience, so I will upload that. And I have actually a lot of recipes. My favorite, I have the favorite recipe, which is pinwheels. It's the little balls of potato filled, and the
Yes.
the outer area of that thing is little crispy, like a pakora. If you heard that dish, Pakistani dish pakora, and
No.
its outer side is crispy, and the inner side is filled with the potato, and it's shaped as a ball. It's so tasty that whenever I taste that, it just makes me like drive crazy.
Yes, very good. Yes.
And
So,
there's another recipe which I really love, and I usually try that recipe in Ramadan. That recipe is named as Kathiawadi Chane. I've made that recipe in Kathiawadi Chole. I've made that recipe, and right now it's being edited. It will be uploaded very soon. Uh, Tomorrow I will upload the paratha recipe, and frozen paratha recipe, and then the Kathiawadi chole recipe. I hope you've
Okay.
subscribed to my channel, Alex.
No, I am your subscriber. I subscribed
Okay,
to your channel first day you told me about it. You remember
perfect.
you? Yes, I mean, but I didn't know that you have other channels. You know,
Yeah,
but take a look after. And then let me ask you about vlogging. What is vlogging? What is it
vlogging.
about? You have another channel.
Yeah, actually, vlogging. Vlogging is the thing which I will always be saying that it is the top notch interest for me. And vlogging is something which I started because of the most inspirational person to me. There's a YouTuber in Pakistan, Shavi Jaffrey. His name is Shavi Jaffrey. He's a comedian, entertainer, influencer. He is really good at what he does, and I've been following him from past 8 years. He started his
Oh,
journey 8 years back, and I was really a lot younger than now. So uh, I feel like I have a very strong connection with his content. So that content made me drive crazy for the vlogging journey, for my own vlogging journey. I thought to start my own vlogging and to make the audience which Shavir Jaffrey have, and his audience is really impressive. Way a lot appreciative, supportive, and educated audience. I will say it. He have the best audience of whole Pakistan YouTubers
oh, very
community.
nice.
He
Yes,
has the
very
best
good.
audience.
Yes,
He also
and
speaks English much often, so I think you should watch his vlogs. You'll understand.
oh,
Shavir
yes, and
Jaffrey.
you might post on their comment later, and then you can tag
Okay,
me.
okay,
Yes.
okay, okay,
So
okay.
you also have tech and new cars. So what do you
Yes.
show in that channel?
In that channel, because I am also interested in tech and cars and that stuff, like technology. I wasn't that much enthusiast of. Haven't had any much enthusiasm of tech and cars, but with time, I realized that tech and cars and new mobiles are really effective in the new future in the upcoming time, and they are very much like going over the edge. They are becoming more and more capable of a lot of different things. So I make videos about new cars, the news which I get, or some leaked news and concepts about the cars or phones. uh,
Yeah.
and this channel, it has around almost 3,000 subscribers. It will be if you tell your friends to subscribe to my channel.
Oh, great. Yes. Your channel has one subscriber from Brazil. That means your channel is an international.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, no, no.
So,
I forgot to tell another thing that the tech channel have the complete, like, not completely, but around 91% of the audience from USA. So it's already international, bro.
oh, really? That's
Yeah, it has
awesome.
the international audience because
How do
that
you
channel contains the videos in English language and the news and stuff that the people usually like internationally. So I get to have a lot of different audience from a lot of different countries on that channel.
Oh, very nice. Yeah. And how do you feel about your YouTube channel?
I feel very blessed, and I think that people don't usually start and but just tend to think only about these things. people usually think that maybe I should start the YouTube channel, I should start vlogging, I should start a tech channel, anything they like. If there is an engineer, he will think that I should start, but will not start. They will waste time. They
Mhm.
are little confused. There is the little point which is confusing them, and that point is really really confusing. And I also faced that time when I was really confused. And uh, but you have to overcome that thing. And I'm really happy about my channels, and would love to continue with these channels, and would love to even make more channels if inshallah I will get something for gaming. Then I will also start a gaming channel. I'm also excited to do that. And I have a lot of different interests. Maybe I've told you that I am a photographer too.
Yes, yes, you told me you are photographer. Would you like to take photos of your city and show on your channel?
Yeah, of course. But I've already did that in a vlog. That
Oh,
vlog is
great.
titled as "Famous Samosa Was Yo or No." There's a recipe samosa. I tried that. It's the most famous recipe of Islamabad. So I tried that and titled that as "The Famous Samosa Was Yo or No." So in that vlog, you can see my city, the beautiful views, and the even the biggest mall, and even the most famous mall of Islamabad, the Centaurus Mall. You can see that in cinematics. And oh, he's my friend Ahmed Sabir who just left this comment. Thank you, Ahmed.
Very nice. Okay.
And I was
So,
telling you about photography.
oh, tell us
Hmm.
about it.
I do photography to make people happy, not for earning money, but maybe I will do that because uh, I'm really interested in exploring that, and even going to take it a lot more in the future, a lot more in the future, continue that.
Yeah.
And uh, I make people happy through my photography. I capture feelings. I the photography I do, if we have to summarize that in some words, then we can summarize it in the stories. And stories or capturing moments or feelings. Three words. There are three words, uh, and we can summarize in these words. My photography, I capture things, and that things actually mean something. And when you see my photography, usually in most of the pictures, you can assume a story from that picture.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very nice. And what is the most beautiful historical building in your city?
Most historical, I've okay. uh there's one place in Islamabad. It's named as Allah Ditta Caves. It's in the in the area of Margalla Hills of Islamabad. And that place is so much historical. Is from the times of the kingdoms which was uh, used to rule on the subcontinent. And they used to go from this place, and they have that type of a fort over there. When they used to go from that place to a war, or to any place, they used to stay in that fort. And it's really beautiful. And that place have a little feeling. When you go over there, you feel like there's some kind of a presence over there. I don't understand is there anything or not, but it feels like that.
Oh,
It's little
great. Yeah.
it's little scary too.
Oh, yeah, it's awesome. And you are an actor, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
One minute only, sorry, drinking water.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so I am an actor too, not professionally, but I have a lot of interest in acting, and
Mhm.
I will start acting really soon, inshallah. And already working on some things and talking to some people, which will help me to do that. And acting is something which I used to do since the childhood. I was a really actor from the childhood, and I used to act on every single thing, literally every single thing. I even used to act on serious things, which is really crazy. And but I don't do that now because now I'm growing up and understanding things. What should I do and what should not be done? So uh, that's the thing. I love acting, and we'll start that professionally because acting is something we can't do like non-professionally. Of course, we
Yes.
can do that on TikTok and some other platforms, but I would love to do that on like mainstream, like dramas, film industry, or anything like that.
Okay, that's very interesting. And uh, so your
Thank you
friend
so much,
said
Ahmed.
you look very nice and your language is very good. Yes. And someone is asking you a question.
Where are you from? I am from Pakistan, Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. It is a really beautiful city, and it is the most beautiful city of whole Pakistan. And it have a lot of greeneries. It have a lot of mountains and forests. It's really beautiful. It's developed a lot, and it have malls. It's really good.
I've heard that have a competition between Islamabad and Karachi. How do you see that?
Oh, so it seems like it's going towards a controversy. Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay.
So let's see. Ah,
I would love
okay.
to answer that.
No, because
Actually,
Karachi and the Islamabad, they are
yeah,
very famous, all over the
yeah,
world.
exactly,
And tell us
exactly.
about more about Karachi and Islamabad. What are they famous for in your country?
What?
What are
Yes.
Karachi and Islamabad famous for?
Karachi is most famous of sea view. It have the sea, so everyone from Karachi owns a lot that they have the sea, and whenever we usually see some type of funny skits uh, which are on the topic of Islamabad versus Karachi, we see that whenever someone says, "What do you have in Karachi?" people say, "We have sea view." So it's some kind of like this is the thing they own the most, and I would love to go to Karachi, and it is
Really?
really beautiful. And in Islamabad, people say that the people of Islamabad are burger. If you understand that, what burger means, like mommy, daddy, kid. Do you understand that?
Mommy dedicated?
Like little kid. People used to say that the people of Islamabad are so shy and so much sensitive and so much softy type of people. But this is not the case. People are soft in Karachi too, like sensitive
Ah,
and
sensitive.
yeah.
Mhm. Very, very interesting. So, do
Hmm.
you have any comment on this comment?
Karachi industrial city, Islamabad natural beauty and capital of Pakistan. Exactly, that is exactly correct. Uh, Karachi is industrial. Karachi have the uh, huge film industries and film companies and a lot of production companies and a lot of different businesses, the biggest, some of the biggest businesses of Pakistan. And Islamabad is the capital because of the government, because the government said it's the capital, and so it is the capital. Everything
Mm-hmm.
related to government is being happened in Islamabad mostly. And but we used to think that the industries of acting and singing and these type of like media related industries were completely in Karachi. But now people are also moving to Islamabad to grow their business, because Islamabad also have a lot of talent and a lot of different actors, a lot of great actors, and the people are growing from Islamabad too. We used to think, I also used to think that the media industry and every industry is in in Karachi, and every big event is used to happen in Karachi. But now that typical thing is breaking. Everyone is also coming to Islamabad and taking every single city to the same level.
Oh,
I'm really happy
great.
for that.
Oh, very nice. I like Islamabad and Karachi. I would like to visit those cities one day. So tell me more
Sure.
about
I would love
Ibrahim.
to do some hospitality if you come over here.
Oh, thank you so much. And tell us about tourism. Tourism, okay? Tell us about tourism in your city.
Tourism. Tourism is going really great. Everyone who visits Islamabad, they're just blown away, because Islamabad is the direct connection to northern areas of Pakistan. So everyone comes to Islamabad first so they can explore the northern areas, because the northern areas are the most famous areas of Pakistan, and they are even a lot famous in the whole country. People are coming to do some tourism in Pakistan, and whenever they come
Yes.
here, they love to explore the northern areas because they heard a lot of rumors that they are the most beautiful and uh, things like that. They are the best. They're unbelievable. And when people come here and they go to northern areas, they literally believe those rumors because it is really unbelievably beautiful. If you come here, I would love to go with you on the northern areas, and we'll make some vlogs, crazy stuff, and do some crazy stuff.
Yes. So
Do you know?
tell me, huh?
Do you know
Go
that
ahead.
I live near the house of President of Pakistan, Imran
Oh,
Khan?
really?
Yeah,
Oh, have you ever seen him in person, close to
yeah.
him?
I've seen him, but I never met him. Like shaking hand, even not shaking hand, but I've seen him. He was going in a
Good.
car. I saw him.
Nice. And then I think there are a lot of security close to
Yeah,
him.
exactly. A lot of security, people waiting to see him for 1 minute even, and excited people, even his fans. So it's hard to meet him personally.
Oh,
Like
great.
shaking hand, even shaking hand is also really hard to do that with the prime minister,
Yes. So my next question to you is: you are good in
prime
communication.
minister.
So
Hmm?
tell us, people, how did you learn how to be good at communication?
Hmm. Communication. This is the thing which I was never good at, but I'm really, really happy. I'm the most happy of this thing after vlogging. uh,
Yes. Yes.
uh, I was always a quiet child
Oh, great.
until
Mhm.
maybe I can say that until 2018. Like this
Uh,
much time from my birth, I was so much shy, and even I was so quiet. I didn't have much friends, and whenever I had a friend, after some time, We broke our friendships, and these types of things tend to happen because I wasn't good at communication. I I've offended people, and a lot of different things happened. But after some time, like when 2019 started, I'll say from 2019, I used to groom myself and used to look up to that whatever I say is right or not right, and I was so much possessive about these things. And after some time, when I kept
Hmm.
improving myself, so I started became more good at that, and I even used to observe things, and I even observe human behaviors. And like for example, if there's someone in front of me, and I'm talking to him, we have a little chit chat, and after that time, after that the chit chat is ended, we are just on our way to our work or anything else, randomly, just life going random. I
Yeah.
can tell the things which the second person can tell about the first person I was talking to. Uh, because I observe a lot of things, like a lot of body languages and different behaviors, different expressions of voice, and a lot of
Yeah.
different things. This is the thing which I never learned online. This is the thing
Oh,
which I can say I did by myself. It
yes,
came
Miles.
from inside, like the born thing. We can say that I was always an observer, but not an implementer. Now I'm used to implement the things which I observe, which are good for me and can help me. So I'm already doing that, and will also explore and already exploring things, and would love to explore till the end of this life, because exploring is the thing which
Yeah.
makes you like it can make you a lot happy from a little moment.
Yes, exactly. So, thank you, my friend, for this interview. I really appreciate you being here. But I want to ask you the last question. Do you have any last words to say to my audience and yours?
Okay. Uh, First thing is that stay home, stay safe, because this is the most important thing these days. Everyone is going out and not taking care of themselves. They can literally, I, how should
Yes,
I say
yes,
that? That would be odd if I say they will literally die, because
yes,
it will
exactly.
sound harsh. But that is the sad truth which will happen to them. So please don't go out there. A lot of people to love you. There are even those people who you don't even know, but they love you. They are
Yes,
good with you because they like you. They like your personality. They like your nature. So do stay at home, because uh, it will help you a lot. Grow yourself in this meantime, and this pandemic time, this quarantine time is the best for learning things. I'm also doing that thing, and you should also do that for whoever was about to learn these skills. You should start doing that in this time, because you have a lot of time in this time. So stay home, stay safe, and do subscribe to my channel.
yes. So thank you everyone for watching. We had a kind of a big audience with you. I think you are very popular where you live.
No, no,
So
no. Actually, you are popular. You live in Brazil.
so thank you so much, my friends, and I hope you enjoyed this time. Okay, and bye bye
Yeah,
everyone.
I loved that you took this interview, and it was really nice talking to you. You have a really nice smile that kept me smiling.